Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlaziya.
Guys, let's just unpack on Senzo me. But now I'm sometimes isn't able to add that whole thing you would see. Ambuze okay, you're in Katla Hong, and spread the same thing, guys. I just feel good we are wasting time because even though accused number 3 has said it, listen, Upinki Vitalingen, the Vodacom specialist, or should I say official, from Vodacom came and he didn't ping anything. I was next to Kelly's house. So can we move on from that? I just feel good about this whole thing. These guys around the 26th of October 2014, they were not around for Soras. Like guys. If I'm concentrating, these guys must be acquitted now. We keep on rounding around circles. It's like Senzani. Like no. Actually, Katlehong and Spread View are not the same things. In fact, Spread View is very new. Katlehong has been there like forever. I even have relatives there, And on top of that, I once went to play soccer there. He's forever rubbing that on our faces. Oh no, I like soccer. And the naming na video yak, my first video about him where I said, oh my gosh, this guy is gonna help us with Senzomiwa's case. And God, I think that's the thing. It's been 3 years on. Nothing. As a parent, I'm like, why are you here? Right. So he's gonna be rapping those things on. 55 years experience, bangayona is soccer. I used to be a greatest player. Guys, like kubona khona nje ezinye izinto ubona ukuthi guys soqeda angazi when are he is gonna get justice. There is where Umncube says Brigadier Gininda played him literally and wamfaka in twin that has nothing to do with him, and including the records that Pinky Vitalingam from Vodacom was talking about. There's nothing that has anything to do with me being at Kelly's house. So it's more like, why am I still here? Like, you know, Mncube studied everything. Remember I said he was writing this guy all the time. I was looking down and he's writing. He's 205 and the DNA. As in with the Senzomiya you are analyzing. So many times it has been said in court I can get in away. But why put 9mm at some stage? But abantu babesendlini bathi the gun had a wheel. Hi guys. And that whole thing, you could see the person that actually came into the house, the people who were in the house say, talk, no, especially those two, Enz and Kuman. I like the person that came into the house was dark, I'm light. So you know? And Mncube's dreadlocks are long, and the person that came to the Komalo house, the dreadlocks were short. So he's just like Mncube, me. And the gold tooth again came out again. He had a gold tooth, and he's just like, I've never had a gold tooth ever. Even Klambege teeth again, gold teeth. I don't know anything about that. Brigadier Gininda actually forced things here. He did force things. Like, what is it to do? We would have learned. I Brigadier Gininda. Umncube also, there was a story sokuthi Ene Ulongwe said the person that actually came in at the Komalo house spoke Zulu, about the clothing Zulu is slanging but here in Gauteng obviously, I mean lesala igoli omara yabaza ngithi. So spoke some Zulu esinjalo esinesuthu on top of that, and then Umncube is just like, that wasn't me then. Yayibona leyo nto leyo. That's not me ngoba mina esami isiZulu ngasincela literally from my mother. So now what must happen?
Okusho ukuthi ke umuntu wawuthumela lo awuthumela kuyena wawuthola.
Thank you. Let us go with what the state is saying. But after that, there were no longer any activities in your phone.
Kodwa ke emva kwalokho ne lo la 26 October 2014 2032:57 akukho kwenzeka ngalela langa kumakhala kokhunywa wakho. Yebo. Yes.
Can you tell the court why?
Ungasho ke ukuthi ungayitshela inkantolo ukuthi kungani?
Kwese kulate vele ikhathi zokulala lezi.
It was already late, it's time to sleep.
So Mawusulela ngeke ukuphendula ifoni.
Well, once you are asleep, you won't answer your phone.
Yeah, isikhathi sami nje sokuthi ngase ngilala ngoba vele ngangiphuzele notshwala.
It was my time to sleep, and because I consumed alcohol.
Kanti ke indabeni yama message. Kule message lima ingena isungena sidinga ukuthi ungayibuyisela emuva mhlawumbe ukuphendula noma wenzeni.
On the issue of the SMSs, there are SMSs that once you've received that SMS, there is no need for you to respond to that SMS.
Akusho ukuthi message yonke engenayo uzoyiphendula back.
It does not mean that each and every SMS that you receive, you're going to respond back to it.
Njengalapha nje mawubuka ku nge
26 October 2014, 174207.
ungena message
I received an SMS came in.
enazange mina ngiphendula back.
I never responded to that SMS.
Ifoni engena emva kwalokho ngiyafonelwa ayithi kufona mina.
And thereafter, there was an incoming call. Not that I'm the one calling, but it was an incoming call.
So akusho ukuthi wonke ama message angena kumele baphendule.
So it doesn't mean that all the SMSs that you receive, you need to respond to them.
Thank you, Mr. Mnube. You then saying, after that last message, which according to the state actually find its way through to your phone, you then went to sleep.
Uthi-ke emva kwalomqhafazo lona-ke wase ulala wena.
Njengoba ngiendlini nje vele ngase isikhathi sokuthi ngiyolala.
As I was going home, it was time for me to go and sleep.
Thank you. Now, there is one aspect here that relates to what happened at the house.
Kunodaba olodwa-ke lana mayelana naloko kwenzeka endlini.
And I'm indebted to my colleague for bringing that to my attention. Mr. Longwe says, in one of the statements, in one of the statements that were provisionally admitted before court as exhibits here, Mr. Longwe says, and in fact, this is not actually him who says that. Even the witnesses who were in the house, those who came to testify here, Mr. Twala and Mr. Mazala, told to the court that soon after the gun-toting intruder got into the house as they were seated in the sitting room, then Longwe approached the gun-toting criminal and pushed him away, and then he found his way out and dashed outside.
Kwesinye seyitatimende eyikhona-ke lana sakulongo Thwala akuyena yedwa-ke okushoyo lokho nofakazi-ke abeza la enkantolo bezokuthula ubufakazi uThwala kanye naye-ke uMadlala bakushilo-ke lokho ukuthi-ke ngesikhathi angena ngaso lona owayephethe isibhamu uLongwe wasukuma wase emphushela-ke eceleni uLongwe waphumela ngaphandle.
Do you recall that?
Uyakhumbula lokho?
Yebo ngiyakhumbula.
Yes, I do recall.
Now, according to the narrative that Brigadier Gininda came and gave here at this court, he says that person who was pushed by Longwe, it's you.
Manje-ke ngokwenkulumo yakhe uBrigadier Gininda-ke kubufakazi-ke afika abethula la phambi kwale nkantolo uthi lowo muntu lowo owena.
Hawu Gininda umuntu omdala Jona mama.
Gininda is an elder that is telling lies.
Mina ngihlangana nokufaka senzo.
I have no involvement in Senzo's death.
Lento into ekhandwa uGininda nethimba lakhe.
This is something that is just made up by Gininda and his team.
Mawuhlanganisa yonke into ekhulunywayo ubheka into ezenzakalayo akukho ongifaka lapho.
When you look, when you put together everything that was said and what happened, then there is nothing that involves me there.
I-205 yami ithi ngangikwenye indawo.
My section 205 indicates that I was somewhere else.
I-DNA ithi akusimina.
The DNA excludes me.
Umbalo washiwa abantu abasendlini bathi umuntu wangenwa emnyama mina ngimhlophe.
The complexion that is given by the people in the house as referring to someone who was black. I am white or light in complexion.
Abantu basendlini bathi wangena umuntu onama-dread amafishane nanama-dread amade.
The people in the house made mention of someone with short dreadlocks. I had long dreadlocks.
Abanye babo bathi wangena umuntu onegolide mina ngizange benegolide.
Others said someone with the gold entered the house. I never had the gold.
Lezi zinto engikhulumayo zonke ezinobufakazi obukhona lapha ngwale court.
Now all of these things are being said. There's evidence of that before this court,
Ezikubonisayo ukuthi lapha mina kahlahla ngikho la.
which indicate that I am not involved here.
uGininda yozame ukufoster into ayibonayo ukuthi ayifostekile kodwa wayifoster.
It is Gininda who tried to force something or to make something out of something that is not there.
Kodwa ufazi obulala court le. Hayi mina ngikho lapho.
But the evidence that is before this court, I do not form part of that. I am not there.
Ngoba ngisho amehla amakhulu lawa ashiwo laphana anginawo mina.
Because even the big eyes that are mentioned there, I don't have them.
Iqhomo lezi eshiwo laphana anginazo mina.
The cheekbones that are being referred to there, I don't have them.
So izinto nje ezikhona lapha ezibonakalayo ukuthi kahle kahle into lena uGininda azama ukuyikhanda nethimba lakhe.
These things are there, are clear that it is just things that Gininda and his team are trying to make up.
Mara kuse South Africa iqinisa lona phela livelile.
But we are in South Africa, the truth will eventually come out,
Noma ngabe kube kunini.
no matter when.
Lo kuthiwa yimene uyogcina yena eboshiwe yena ngqo.
Now, this person who is being referred to as me, that person will end up being arrested, that particular person.
Thank you, Mr. Mube. You would also recall that the witnesses were in the house who came to testify. You said that the person who got into the house, actually, upon entering the house, he instructed the occupants in the house to give money and cell phone, but particularly, I think it was Mr. Twala, said that person spoke in isiZulu, but not a Zulu. In other words, you could hear that this person is not actually a Zulu, you know, it's like it's township Zulu, but not like as in pure Zulu, as he put it.
Uzokhumbula ke kwashiwo ofakazi ke lana ukuthi ke umuntu ke mayingena ke noma loyo owangena ke uma into ayisho ebantwini ke ababesendlini wathi ke ama cell phones nemali kodwa yena ke uthwala uma ekushoko ukuthi ke wamuzwa umuntu loyo uma ekusho lokho ukuthi cha uyamuzwa lo muntu ukuthi kasiyena ke umZulu.
In fact, to paraphrase him, he said that person spoke Sotho Zulu. Sizuthu.
Empeleni ke uma nje ungasho lokho kwasho uyena ke uthwala ukuthi ke umuntu loyo wayekusho ke lokho ngasi Sotho Zulu.
Yebo ngamuzwa impela asho kanjalo wathi Sotho Zulu lapho.
Yes, I heard him. That is exactly what he said. He said the person said it in Sotho Zulu.
Do you have any comment?
Khona ungakusho?
Understand, before you comment, that is also one of the sacrosanct, is it sacrosanct? Or one of the main determining, one of the main identifying features of the perpetrator who got into the house.